So I think you should save your coins. Save your coins. And hey lovelies, so for today I've got another review. Yes, I'm gonna be reviewing the Laura Mercier translucent powder and the Makeup Revolution in the shade Lace. So the Makeup Revolution setting powder and the Laura Mercier setting powder. So if you want to see the comparison, so I'm first going to be doing a demo, show you how to apply, how it applies, how it feels. Then after that I'll come back with my review. So you know what to do, stay tuned. Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey, all over where I normally highlight. As usual, I'm gonna allow the highlight to sit on my face for a bit, and I'm just gonna talk you through. The Makeup Revolution is £5, so the Laura Mercier translucent powder is £30 and the Makeup Revolution is £5. In terms of the amount of product, it has like 29 gram, and this has, it's kind of wiping out. I've been using this now, so I can't see the gram here, but on this one, which looks about the same, this is 42G for this one, the banana one. So I think it's the same thing because they look kind of the same. The Laura Mercier, in terms of the packaging, it just comes like so. And if you see in, there is like a in here. It sips through here. It's quite a bit pale yellow type of color. It doesn't have any scent to it. It's kind of the packaging, very nice, looks really nice actually. The Makeup Revolution, this is the packaging, and it's just basic really. It does have the lid here. I kind of prefer the Laura Mercier with a big lid. I've got to kind of dip in here, and this is what it looks like. In terms of the smell, this doesn't have a scent either. So in terms of scent, they both don't have any scent. It has different colors actually. It has banana, it has a few colors, the Makeup Revolution. So it caters to most skin types. The Laura Mercier, it has a medium dip. I'm planning to order that as well. I'll do a comparison about the two on my skin. Go ahead and blend. My Laura Mercier hair and my Makeup Revolution hair. A Real Techniques brush to kind of put in a powder. So I'm gonna blend and put in a powder. I'll start with the Laura Mercier side. I'm not gonna do the Makeup Revolution side. I'm gonna switch the brush over here. The blend. This is applying absolutely gorgeously, just like seamlessly. So I've used the Makeup Revolution hair, Laura Mercier on my forehead. So this is kind of it's applied. Just by applying it, I'm actually amazed at the Makeup Revolution side. The Laura Mercier I've used before, it's supposed to apply seamless, softly milled, it just blends in nicely. Laura Mercier is just really finely milled, it's just lightweight, doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel cakey, really finely milled, and it's just lovely. Yeah, there's no scent to it. Like I said, the Makeup Revolution is actually amazing actually. Under the eyes, I can't see any difference. It applied seamlessly as well. And it applies so nicely. Makeup Revolution one is hair. I use Makeup Revolution hair, and it just doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel cakey, finely milled, and it's just nice as well. So I've used it before, I've used both, but I've not compared it. So in comparison, I'm actually amazed at Makeup Revolution. I've used this, so I know it's good, but I didn't know it was this good. I think it's a dupe. It is a dupe. Amazing. This one that is lace, the color lace, is a dupe for Laura Mercier because I can't see a difference. Can you guys see? Comment in the comment section below. Let me know. I think this is an absolute match. It's a dupe for the Laura Mercier. Amazing. Wow, £30, £5. Amazing. Should do Laura Mercier. It's lightweight, doesn't feel heavy at all. It just applied like a dream. It's finely milled. It doesn't have any scent. It doesn't feel cakey. It just feels light on my skin. And there's no flashback or anything like that. For the Makeup Revolution, it's a neutral pink, light pink when I looked at it. So I was thinking it might come across funny on my skin, but actually it's gorgeous on my skin. There's just no difference at all. It's lightweight, it's not heavy. The Makeup Revolution, it's not cakey. Wow. I'm gonna wipe this two product out of my face. I'm gonna be using two different brush. I'm gonna start with the Laura Mercier side because I applied it first. So this is the Laura Mercier side. Comes out like a dream. Makeup Revolution side, I'm gonna brush up now. I totally can't see any difference, guys. No difference. This is an absolute match. I'm actually amazed, guys. Like, it feels so lightweight. They're both gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is finish my makeup quickly off camera, come back with my final. So guys, this is the end of my makeup. I've done my, I do think they are the exact same thing, guys. This is a dupe for the Laura Mercier. It is a dupe. I can't see any difference, and I've worn them out and about before separately, and they both head on well. I've got oily skin, and none of them really they head on over 8 hours. The Makeup Revolution, yes, given after 8 hours it tends to, some oils can seep in through, but you know, they're both the same. I can't see any major difference with the Laura Mercier and this one, this lace in Makeup Revolution. It's kind of the same. They're both seamless, they're both finely milled. It gives a nice matte finish. The Laura Mercier powder hair, and I use the Makeup Revolution hair. So I believe they are the same dupe, guys. So save your coin, I think, and get yourself the Makeup Revolution, because I just think the Laura Mercier, it was so hyped. Laura Mercier has always been hyped. I always have Laura Mercier because it's hyped. It's always Laura Mercier, but actually it's not that much. It is good. It is good. Don't get me wrong. It is good. Laura Mercier is still great to have on, but in terms of, you know, the best value for money, the Makeup Revolution is the best value for money. It is, in terms of flashback, there is no flashback for both of these. You know, the Laura Mercier doesn't, it holds the oil all day. Like literally, it's not moving. Okay, your Laura Mercier doesn't move. When you get it to the, it stays from morning to night till night. So Laura Mercier is long lasting. So that I would say for it. The Makeup Revolution is long lasting. However, it does, oil seeps through. So after the 8 hours mark, you kind of see the oil seeping through. Okay. So that's the only difference I would say in terms of oil control. But if you don't have an oily skin, you've got dry skin or you've got normal skin, and then this is your winner because you don't really need to keep oil. I can't see any difference. Can you? Comment in the comment section below. You know, let me know what you think. If you've got the Laura Mercier, you've got the lace hair, let me know what you think. But I think you should save your coins. Save your coins and get yourself the Makeup Revolution as opposed to the Laura Mercier. This is a dupe. This is a dupe for this. There is no difference. I can't see any difference on my face. This color hair and this one is an absolute dupe. £5 and £30. I'll choose this any day. So that's kind of my view on this product. Comment in the comment section if you've got a different experience, or if you have other views, or if you have similar views like mine. Come to the end of this video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.